If you'd like to add this interactive trail effect to your Elementor site, you're in the right place. Welcome back to WP Design Lab. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to download and install a custom Elementor plugin from GitHub. We'll be using it to build a sleek image trail feature, where images follow the user's mouse with a fluid, smooth animation. Let's jump into the setup. First, download the free Elementor widget file from the description below, keep it zipped, then jump into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, add New, upload the file, install, and activate. Now, let's jump into the Elementor editor on either a new or existing page. First, create a full width section and then search for the Trail Effects widget in the panel. You should see the new Trail Effect widget in the Elementor panel. Drag the widget into your page. Now let's look at the widget settings. In the first tab, you can change the effect style, upload your trail images, and set your background text. Let's go ahead and upload some images and update that text. You can even select a custom text animation style to really make it pop. Next, click on the Style tab to make it look perfect. Here you can adjust the layout height, change your background, customize your text, and set your trail image sizes. You can also add nice touches like rounded corners, drop shadows, and a background overlay to ensure your text is easy to read. Once you're happy with your design, just click Update and preview your live page. Now, as you move your mouse around the screen, you will see that beautiful image trail effect smoothly following your cursor perfectly. If you want to switch things up, the plugin actually comes with several different animation styles built right in. From the effect style dropdown, you can change the default look to a soft fade trail, a dynamic zoom burst, a falling drop, a random scatter, a stretch drop, or even a full frame slide. I highly recommend just clicking through each one to see which animation perfectly matches your website's vibe. That wraps it up. You now know exactly how to grab this free plugin, install it on WordPress, and customize the Elementor widget from top to bottom. This sleek trail effect is an amazing way to elevate your portfolios, creative landing pages, and product showcases. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to WP Design Lab for more awesome WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to cover more custom widgets. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.